this is where you're going to find UTM tracking code results data in Google Analytics 4. You find the UTM data in the standard acquisition reports in your web browser. So step 1 is you're going to navigate to traffic acquisition report. So on your left sidebar of the Google Analytics 4 or GA4 web interface, you're going to click on reports right here just below the home tab. And then from here, we're just going to wait until this one loads, and then you will see this business objectives section. So if you find it like that, you're just going to click on it so that all of these tabs will appear. And then under the generate leads section, you're going to click on traffic acquisition. Now, once you're on your traffic acquisition page, you're going to change the primary dimension above the main data table, or you can also find it below right here. So below the main data table, you're going to click on the drop down arrow where the primary dimension is displayed. It usually says session default channel grouping. So what you're going to do is to select one of the UTM dimension. You can choose either session source, session medium, or session campaign. So for this one, I'm just going to click on session source, and then from there, you're going to add the secondary dimension. To compare UTM parameters like source and medium, you're going to click on the plus right here just beside it, and then you're going to next to the primary dimension, and then select another desired UTM dimension. So for example, we're going to use a traffic source right here, and then we're going to click on session source platform, or also session medium. So I'm just going to click on session medium, and then you will be able to see all of the data right here if you currently have your data available. Now again, you will be able to find it below the main data, which is right here, but for some versions you will also find it above it. So do not fret, just make sure that you will be able to see it right here. And that's it. That is where you're going to find UTM tracking code results data in Google Analytics 4. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.